Hello, my friends. I'm Terrence the Turtle, and today I'm embarking on a wild adventure. You see, I've misplaced my favorite shell, and I'm on a mission to find it. Do you know why we turtles love our shells so much? Well, they're like our mobile homes. Imagine losing your home and having to carry it on your back. That's a turtle's life for you. So, off I go on my quest. My first stop is the forest. It's a bit scary, I won't lie, but did you know a turtle's shell is also its shield? I'm pretty much like a medieval knight, only slower. Much, much slower. Next, I head to the beach. It's a hot, sunny day, and all I can think of is how my shell would have provided the perfect shade. But no worries, I've got my turtle sunscreen on. It's SPF 100, because, let's be real, turtle skin is pretty sensitive. After a long day of searching, I decide to take a break and grab a bite to eat. I visit the local salad bar, but guess what? They're out of lettuce. Now that's a turtle's worst nightmare. It's like going to a pizza place and finding out they're out of cheese. Just when I'm about to give up, I spot something shiny in the distance. Could it be? Yes, it's my shell. But wait, there's a snail trying to claim it. Now this is a dilemma. We turtles are known for our patience, but this is testing my limits. But you know what? I decide to let the snail have it. After all, sharing is caring, right? And besides, I've got a spare shell at home. I knew it was a good idea to have a backup. And that, my friends, is the end of my adventure. I've learned some valuable lessons today. Always keep track of your belongings, especially if it's your home. And if you ever find yourself in a salad bar without lettuce, just remember, spinach is a good alternative. And remember, even if you lose your shell, there's always a spare one at home, unless you're a snail. In that case, you might just find a turtle willing to share his. Until next time, keep on shelling, my friends. See you on the next adventure.